You are using AI, but your workflow is chaotic. You're using many different prompts, but your AI forgets the project rules. This is vibe coding. It feels fast at first, but it creates many mistakes and you have to repeat yourself every day. It is frustrating. You feel like you're teaching the AI the same thing over and over and over again. You just want to build something that works, but there is too much noise and too many confusing tutorials. You just want to build and ship and not just chat. Welcome to the Agent Build Academy. This starter kit gives you a professional foundation. In this course, you have 10 files to help you build better. The 3 frameworks, which are the PDF maps that show you the different levels of AI power, and the starter kits, such as the Claude.md and SKILL.md files. These are the rules and the brain for your project.
In the next video, I will show you how to set up your first project. We also have now a repo where you can simply clone the repo and get your project started.